My name is Rob Amond, and I'm a reference librarian with the main library downtown. And this is my coworker, Lance. Now, you may know that our library offers resources through our eBranch if you would like to read, listen to music, or watch movies or TV. You might be thinking, though, I've got to get things done. I need to move. I need to work with my hands. I need to earn some more money. Well, the library has an online collection of instructional and do-it-yourself resources to help you to get things done, learn some new skills, and maybe even earn some more money. Use our Home Improvement Reference Center to get some things done around the house, or maybe try your hand at woodworking. You can also search by project and print plans as you need. Use our Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center or Creative Bug to take up a new hobby or learn some new crafting skills. You might even be able to make something that you can sell online. If you're working on a car, you might want to check out Chilton Online. With that site, you can find repair procedures, wiring diagrams, and even recall information. Learn at your own pace with Universal Class and lynda.com. Universal Class offers a broad selection of classes which allow you to earn CEUs and certificates. lynda.com provides an award-winning collection of videos to allow you to learn new skills. Once you complete these courses, certificates can be posted on your LinkedIn profile. Well, that's it for this video, but if you're interested in exploring different ways to earn money, check out lynda.com's 32 Ways to Earn Extra Money at our research databases page at cincinnatilibrary.org. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.